Hey YouTubers, today I have a Snapper here, Zero Turn lawnmower. It's a model Z1802K, and it's got a Kohler Magnum 18 horsepower. And it's an opposed twin cylinder engine. And it's got a Walbro carburetor. Now when it comes to the mowing part of it, the choke is right here. That's the switch to engage the blades. This is the safety brake, and the throttle's here, and here's the joystick to operate the machine. Now in order for it to even start, you have to have the joystick locked down here. Then you just turn the key. So I'll just choke it up a bit. This lever here is to lower the deck. It's a bit big to do my yard, but I tried it in a bigger area and it sure does mow the grass pretty fast once you get used to that joystick. If I had a landscaping business, that's the machine I would get, is a zero-turn lawnmower like this. This one here has been neglected a bit. It's been outside. You can see the paint's faded and all that. But a good coat of paint would make it look nice and new again. I've got new blades on there, and there's 3 blades under there. And it's even got grease fittings on the spindles here. And obviously it's hydrostatic. When you turn one way, one wheel locks. When you turn the other way, the opposite wheel locks. The seat does come up here, and the battery's right under there. And this container here is for your hydrostatic oil. And your gas tank's right over here. So that's about it. I do recommend these machines if you have a landscaping business. It will sure cut down the time that you spend cutting lawns.